Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Ochet. Today we received this drawing and want to see how we can go about it together. As you can see, today will be for introduction, and we will also go ahead to do one or two things. So we definitely, when we receive drawing from the architect, the first thing first is to study and look at the features and everything that are inside the the building plan. Is that okay? So that is it. That first of all, let's look at it. If you look at it as I'm showing you, these are the write-ups, and also these are the you can see proposed building area, so you can see what we have, and also you can see the ground floor plan. You can see the ground floor plan. I want to bet you that this particular plan, if you don't know good at design, you might get confused, and when I mean confused, as in indeed confused. Is that okay? But those confusion will be cleared in this video. Is that okay? And if you look at it, it's showing us a ground floor. You might look at it and say the structure is very small. Yes, it's very small, very small, but I bet you it can take you hours or days before you can finish the GA if you are not good at design. Is that okay? Especially that GA, I want to advise, lay your hands on structures, on buildings that different architectural plans. Is that okay? That will help you a lot. That will help you. When I mean a lot, it will help you a lot, because different plans with different challenges and all of that. But if you have handled different challenges of plans that comes with plans, definitely when you ask the complex one, or so to say, you will discover that from the experience you'll be able to handle it properly. Is that okay? All right. So this is the ground floor plan rather, and let's look at it. You can see what we have. It is the entrance porch for this side and this side. So we are looking at it along this part. It means this structure is two parts, one here and this other here, with one roof, which we normally call as semi-detached. Is that okay? All right. So, and you can also see the typical first and second floor plan, which means that this particular plan is for first and second floor, which means that we're having a G+2. Is that okay? Even though we're having two plans here, but basically we are having G+2 structures here. So that is that. And if you now look at the roof, can you see we are having a deck area for water tank and solar panels? Can you see? So this place now we are going to be having a solar panels. How to calculate the solar panel, all of that we are going to be doing it in this video. Is that okay? And that is that. Okay, so, and if you now look at this area also at the rooftop, can you see lab treated with bitumen? Can you see? So that is that. You can see what we have here. Can you see it all around this place? We are going to be going through it. And also if you look at this, can you see this place is different from up? But from here like this up, they are the same. Is that okay? They are the same, but on the ground floor is different. So all of this we are going to be going through it together. Is that clear? So now at this stage, I want to say, in case you have not clicked on like button, I want to say like the video and also subscribe, because the more they like, the more YouTube make this video to go viral. Is that okay? And also subscribe. Is that okay? So that anytime we release video, you'll be notified by YouTube. And also please tell others about the company. Is that okay? So that is that. Okay, so the first thing first, once you have received this one and you have studied and you have gone through all the information given to you, so the first thing first, to copy out the plan. So I'm going to be copying out the plan. Let me copy out the plan. This is a ground floor and also the first floor. Correct. CP, enter. So I'll come here now, click it and bring it down here. Let's bring it closer. Okay, let's bring it closer. Okay, let me put it somewhere here. Then I'll do what? I will escape. Now once you have escaped, the next thing now is to study the drawing. I always say that it's very important for you to study the drawing. So if we have understood this side, automatically we have understood this other side, isn't it? So that is that. So this is the entrance porch, and if you look at it, there's a something like a, can you see this wall, this line? Let's take note of that. I'm seeing it now. Let's take note of this. Is that okay? All right. So this is the entrance porch, and from here we have overhead beam. Okay, this is the ground floor. Okay, Okay. All right, this is the ante room. From this ante room, you have this place that leads to the staircase, and this is a door. This also the staircase part from here like this, from this place like this, and then come like this. No, it has to be like this, then come like this way. Yes, that's how it should be. All right, this is a lobby. There's a lobby here. We are on what? On the ground floor. Yes, we are on the ground floor. So that is that. So this is the kitchen. On the ground floor, this is the kitchen, and also this is a dining. This is the living room, and from here we have all the terrace, the terrace area, and also that's we also have what BQ, but it's from a boys' quarter, and also the bath and the kitchen. Is that okay? So that is that's all that we have on the ground floor. Can you see living room? You can see the living room here. You can see the dining room here, and also you can see ante room and all of that. The same thing applicable to this other side. So now let's now go to the first floor. This first floor showing us what this is a bedroom. This is under bedroom. Is that okay? This is under bedroom, and this bedroom, it has its own toilet. It has the so okay, walk-in what closet. That's what we have here, and also here we have what bath. Is that okay? The same thing applicable here, and the same thing here. 1, 2. This one is a master. Can you see? You can see how wide it is. Can you see? Very, very big. Is that okay? So if you have to check it, let's check the dimension from here. We are just picking from what we have here. Okay, let's just from outside here to this particular point here. 7.2. Can you see? 7.2. So that is that. All right. So I haven't studied everything now. We have. Don't forget, today is just for introduction on this. So, but despite that introduction, we are going to start doing GA. Is that okay? Let's start with the GA first. I hope we'll be able to finish it. Is that okay? All right. So once you have received and you have gotten to this stage, the next thing now, first of all, is to remove all these dimensions. Can you see the dimensions? I don't know why it's in yellow. I don't really like yellow color. Is that okay? So that's that. It affects your eyes. So I'll select, first of all, I'll remove all the dimensions. Select and then click on select similar. And as I've said, anytime you click on select similar, make sure you check other drawings. Can you see? If you mistakenly delete any of them, automatically all of them will be deleted. So to avoid that, I'll press my shift key down and then highlight all like this, and then click somewhere here. Okay, like this. Make sure that you deselect all of them. That's the reason why I'm doing it repeatedly. Okay, then I will now do what? Press delete. Okay, so as I have deleted it now, you can now see that it's becoming more clearer. So this one, I don't need this one. I don't need this one, even this one. What do we have there? Cantilever line. Okay, this is a cantilever line. Let me leave it first. Cantilever line. I'll also come here again. Do this one like this. Select this one now, and this one. Then press my delete. Okay. So the next thing now, you can see windows. At this stage, I will not delete windows or doors. Is that okay? Because all of this will enable me to position my column properly. Is that clear? So this one is a step. It's a step. It's a step to this. I would remove this one. This is a step to this. Okay. What other thing? This right top, if you like, can remove them. Okay, let's just remove it. Let's remove the right top. Okay, let's remove the right top. Then right click, select similar. Only the right tops. So this is a store. Can you see? It's a store, and this is a wall. Is that okay? This is a wall here, and also this place does not have a wall. Can you see? It does not have a wall. It's just this place having a wall. So that is that. So after done it now, we have selected this. Even this one, concrete wall. Okay, we have seen it. It's clear to us. We know it. Yes, we select similar. Okay. Oh, sorry. The wall have been selected. So let me remove it. Select this one and this one. Right click and select similar. Okay. So come up here, make sure I deselect, press Control Shift key and move like this, yes, and also this one, also the same thing, yes, and then delete. Okay, so I haven't done it like this now. So as I said, at this stage I will not delete the wall. Is that okay? So once you have reached this stage, you have understood the pattern of movement of people in this particular place now. So the next thing now is to bring up our construction line. So to bring up the construction line now, I'll come here. First of all, I need to know the center of this place. Is that okay? Let me select this one. Okay, very good. So what's the dimension of the wall? Let's check from here. So our wall is 225. Is that okay? Let's take note of that. So to put my construction line, XL, enter, then V, enter. So can you see now? I'll come here now, put at the center, then also enter, then H, enter. Can you see it here? I have to locate. Is that okay? This is very important. I have to locate the center. I can come here, or I use my line, or let me put L, enter, come here, from here press my where is it? Okay, to make it straight. Okay, then X, L, enter, H, enter. Can you see? I'm able to locate the center. Let's locate the center. Can you see the center now? I'll click and then click on this one, delete. Is that okay? Now let me match it so it will look the same. Okay, still the same. Alright, so I haven't done this one like this at this stage now. So the next thing, as I said, I'm not going to be deleting this this particular window symbol and door symbol at this stage. So what I'll do now, select this one now, CP, enter, then I'll come here from the edge here, begin to put on all the vertical walls. Is that okay? All the vertical wall. This is a vertical wall. Let me start from the top here first. Okay, come here again, put it here, and come here and also put it here. For the head here, I'm done. I'll also come down again. The next one, is this one needed? No. Okay, let's say this wall also needed. Can you see? It's not at the center, so I'll leave that one for now. So coming to this place, it's at the center. If the need be, let's just put it here first, and also come here. This one is not needed. This one also is needed. This place is needed. I'll put it here. Is that okay? And then go down. You can see this place. We also need it here, and also this side. We also need it here. Where is it? Okay, sorry. You need it here. Okay. So we have that vertical ones, vertical walls. These are the things we have. These are the things we have. Okay, these are the things we have. Let's go further. Okay, for now let's leave it like this. These are the walls. Based on the wall we have, these are the things we have. So I'll now come here now. Is that okay? Or let me change the colors. Let me change the colors at this stage. Let me change it to what I normally use. Let me use this. No, we have that color before. We also have this color. Okay, can I change it to green? Okay, yes, green can work. Let me use this one. Is that okay? Alright, so I'll now come here now. Let me select similar. Come here, yes. Then pick this one again now. CP, enter. Now from the edge here, I'm going to put on all the horizontal. So I'm going to put here too. Let me put here another horizontal. Let's leave the wall first. Another horizontal. Let me put it here. Is that okay? Okay, so that is that. Okay, this one here, this line here, we need another one, so I'll put it here. Okay, that's fine. I'll also come down here. I have this one here. I'll put it here again. Then this one, is there need for it? We will know later. Okay, let me undo it. Let me remove it. It's as if it's a 6 inches. Yes, should be 6 inches. That should be 6 inches. So let's leave that one for now, and let's come to the edge here. Okay, and also you can see this this one seems to be a long wall, long beam. Is that okay? So I'm going to put it here again. Correct, it's a beam. Okay, and also here, that's for that. And also this place also I will put here. Good and fine. And once I've done this one out like this, at this stage now, there's need for this wall. Let's check the thickness of this wall from this point to this point. This 300, that's 300 wall. And also from here to this plate, we also have that's 300 wall. So that means half will be what, 150. Is that okay? So I'll select this one now, CP, enter. I'll just pick from here just to put at this edge here. So let me just delete this one. Okay, then move it. That I'll press M, enter. Now from this edge now to this place, I'll put what, 150, enter. So can you see it now? So I cannot copy from here now, CP, enter. Then from here, okay, we already have one here. But we need for this particular shear wall, let it have its own. Okay, CP and or CO, come here now. Sorry, click on this, remove this, click on this, CP or CO, enter. From this edge now, I'll come here and fix it here. So this is center. Is that okay? Let me change the color of this one to something different. Okay, let me use this. Okay, all right. Okay, let me change to this one also to know that this one is for the wall. Is that okay? It's for wall. And also we need for here, for this particular place, isn't it? We need one for here. So I'll come here now, then CP, enter. From here I'll put at the edge first. Is that okay? I'll come here now, then M, enter. That's move. Come down here by what? By 150, enter. Can you see it now? So I'll also select this one now, we stand for the wall. wall grid line. Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay. Okay, this one can also work for this. Is that okay? So let's see. So after we have done this one, now the next thing is to do what? To put our first column. Now, knowing fully well that this drawing is just for G+2, we can still use a 225. Is that okay? 225. Is that okay? It's residential. We can use a 225. Is that okay? That's 225 based on the thickness of the wall. It's showing us 225. Am I correct? 225 wall. From here to here is 225 wall. Can you see it now? All right. So I'll come here now. I'll just come here. Or let me use my polyline. I'll come here. Let me put my straight. Then 225. Enter. Then 225. Enter and come here. 225. Enter and finally I close it up here. If I click on it, it's showing me. Is okay. I'll select this one now. Enter. Is okay. From the point here, I will move straight to the point, intersection point, which is at this place now. I'll click on it. So if you notice now, you now discover that you will not really see your column because the line taking the line and the color almost like the same thing with the wall. So I'll click on it and change the color to something red. And also let me click here now. Let me see if I can increase it. Okay, can you see now it's much visible? Is that okay? Let me use 30. Okay, 30 is much more visible. Am I correct? Yeah, it's much more visible. So I'll click on this one now. CP. Enter. Begin to move. Sorry, begin to copy. Let me click on this one. CP. Enter. From this point now, I will need one here. Also for this one, I'm using this one. Yes, and also from here, I need this one here. And also I need so don't rush it. Is that okay? When you're doing it, don't rush it. And also notice that we not delete this cantilever wall. Can you see cantilever line? Can you see it? So we not delete it. Has this all round. Is that okay? Apart from the back. Is that okay? So also looking at this place now, let me just for now let me put it here. You can try to put it here. Let's see. Also put this one here. Likewise this place. Okay, and also come here now and fix it here. Is that okay? And come here also and fix this one here, and come here now and fix this one here. And also let me jump to this side first and come here, fix this one here, and also fix this one here. Is that okay? I'm trying to use my eye gauge like something like this and like this. Is that okay? And this one like this and this one. Then in this place now, how am I going to go about this place now? That's the question, isn't it? So if I look at this, I can have a panel like this. Is that okay? A panel like this. This place can be a panel, and this place can be a panel, isn't it? It can be a panel. So let's now go. Let's go there. Okay. Let me go down here. So I'll come here now. Fix this one here, and also put this one here, and also put this one here. Then go further and put this one here. Is anyone here? Okay, we're supposed to put an axis here, isn't it? So let's come here first and fix this one. Then let's now offset an axis and put it there. Click on this one now. CP. Enter. Now from this corner here, let me see the place. Okay, the edge here. From the edge here is easier than to this other edge here. Very good. So I'll come here now. Click on this one. CP. Enter. Come here now and put it somewhere. Okay, you don't have horizontal one too. We have it's showing. Okay, so let me see. Click on this one. CP. Enter. From here I'll come here now and fix it here. Okay, that is done. So also if I look at this place now, around this place I'll need to fix one here so that I can have a panel here, isn't it? So around this place, this staircase, come here, put another one here for now, and also this one here for now. Okay, so now remain this place. If I have this place now and I have this place like this, is that okay? So something must happen around here, isn't it? So now it then means that, let's now reason it out. It then means that I will definitely need a beam that will run from here to this place, because if I put a column here, let's do it, it will be too close to each other. These are the ways in which structural engineer will think, will reason. Is that okay? If I put another column here, I don't want to put a column here because this is already a wall. The wall is also your column. Is that okay? So that is that. If I put a column here like this, if I say I want to run this beam like this, close this place, and this one come like this, it doesn't make sense. So it's better we have a beam running like this to come and rest on this, isn't it? So which means that if I have a beam, this one becomes my primary beam, isn't it? This one becomes my primary beam. Now for me to now have this beam, let me delete this one. Let me delete this. So I can now have a secondary beam. Definitely this one, I must have put a wall. Am I correct? I must have put my wall like this here, isn't it? So definitely my beam will run from here to this place. If my beam is running from here as secondary beam to this place, automatically this one will now come and rest on it, which make this place close, isn't it? So I'm now have this place more as a slab, and the same thing applicable to this place now. If I now have my secondary beam run like this to this place also, isn't it? And this one will also come to do what? To rest on it, isn't it? So that is that. Okay, so haven't done this one out like this. So the next thing is to now check to confirm it. Is that okay? The area, is that okay? So how do we go about that? Knowing fully well how we want to do it. Don't forget, for now we want to make this place like this a panel, and this place a panel, and this place now a panel. We are still going to cross check a panel, and after that here also like this is a panel, here also like this a panel, including this place a panel, this place a panel, this place a panel, and this one panel, and here and here, and also this place like what? A sit out. And we also have this cantilever here. Is that okay? This one is going to be part of the beam the way I'm seeing it. Is that okay? By the time we superimpose, we know what we are going to be having. All right. Okay, I think I need another one here. CP. Is that okay? So here I also use 225. Is that okay? I'll use 225. So I also put it here like this. Okay, then from there I also have this one. If this one come like this, if I have a beam running from here to this place and this one, then I can have a column here and also a column here, so that this one now come and rest on this other side, isn't it? So that is it. That is that. Okay, so this one will now be a beam like this, and this one will come straight to this place and this place. Is that okay? But why we now have our cantilever around this place? Is that okay? All right. So this is the ground floor, as we have said. So let me delete all of this. Let me delete all of this. You have known what those lines represent. Okay, this dimension, I thought I deleted it. So here like this. Okay, let's see the dimension. What do we have there? Okay, 6.5 is okay. So it's okay. All right. ProtaStructure enjoy long span very well, so no problem. Okay, all right. So let's now go ahead. Haven't done this one like this now. So based on what we have here, you can see that the columns are not too many. Is that okay? Let's now confirm this span here. Let's confirm the span here. Let's confirm the span we have here from this point to this point. 7. Can you see? 7. That's much. So now I'm going to break it. Is that okay? CP or CO, anyone, then come here, select this one. I'll just put it here straight, and here I'll also come here and just put it straight. Can you see it now? Can you see it? So I now have this place now. From this point now to this one should be around 3 point something. Okay, 3.9, and also from here to this place, which is quite okay. Is that okay? And if you look at how we have positioned our columns, you discover that reasonably the columns are okay. The number of columns are okay, because in this place now we are going to be having shear wall, this particular wall, to carry some of the beams. Is that okay? All right. So, but before then, if you can say yes, we have concluded, let's now confirm. If you look at this place, we are having a 7 point. Let's start from here. Let's start from here. There's my dimension from here. From this point now, let's see, we are using from this point. This is a 6.075 meters. That's 6,075 millimeters by this, which is far less than what? Is far less than what? Far less than 30 square meters. Is that okay? So we can make this one panel, isn't it? We can make this one panel, but for me, I want to just leave it as it is. Is that okay? Let's just leave it as it is. Is that okay? Because for some reasons, which we are going to see later. Is that okay? So that is that. We are going to leave this one like this. So this one becomes my panel. Is that okay? So this place now becomes my panel. From here to this place. Is that okay? Even though we are talking about, we're working with 30 square meters, it's still good that your area of your panel understand, should still be very okay. Is that okay? All right, to avoid this what do you call it, bouncing and some things. Understand, when you enroll for Ekidel mentorship class, definitely you will see that. Is that okay? All right, so that is it. That is that. Okay, so I haven't done that now. I will now come here now. This place is okay for me as a panel. I can now decide to remove this. So for me, I don't have time to be removing all these windows. Is that okay? I already know what I'm doing. Is that okay? All right, that's fine. So I have this one. I have this my panel, and also have this one as my panel. Is that okay? So this one also becomes my panel. Is that okay? So let's confirm it. Let's confirm from this point to this point. This point we have a 3.7. Am I correct? 3.78. 3.78 by 6 point something less than. Is that okay? Which is still okay. Don't forget that it's not all of them that is fully fully slab, so it's going to be part of it here and come to this side, which is okay. Likewise this other side. So whatever thing that we are doing here is also applicable to this side, isn't it? So that's fine. I'll come here now. So looking at this one now, we have a from here to this point. This is a 4.125. 4.125 by 7 point this 7.3. Where is it? Where is this calculator? So we have a, let me bring it up. We have a 4.125. Sorry, 4.125 multiplied by 7.325 gives us what? 30 point something, which is even though it's a point, it's still more than 30 square meters. So for me, as I said, for me, I'll definitely break it. Is that okay? So I'll now come here now, take this one like this, borrow this one here, and borrow this one here. Anyhow, CP, enter. Let me just pick it from here. This one here, I'll come here and fix it here. Is that okay? Take this one. Let me do TR. That's to trim this one off, trim it off. Is that okay? All right, fine. So I'll come here now, select this one, match the property, escape, and then click on this one, EX, enter. That's to extend. Is that okay? Can you see it now? So I have to change the color. Is that okay? To show that yes, I only use it to separate my walls or to break my slab. Is that okay? So that is it. That which color is preferable? Let me use, no, it's too faint. If I use this one now, let me use this, but this time around I'm going to break it. Let me break it. Okay, perfect. So can you see it now? So I also come here now, select this one and this one, CP, copy from this edge of this column. I come here and put it here. Fine. Can you see it now? So I can now see what I'm having. So my beam is running from here to this place now, but it's not going to be carrying a wall load because I only used to separate. Is that okay? To break my panel. Is that okay? That is that. So looking at this one and all of these are very okay. So you can now see this place now. This one becomes another panel. Are you seeing now? And this one also becomes another panel. Is that clear? So that is that. And also this one becomes what? On its own, panel on its own. Is that okay? On its own. So that is fine. So I haven't done this one now like this. Now the next thing now, I'll press my rectangle down, try to trim this one off. Is that okay? Try to trim this one off. Let me come here like this, bring it down a little. I think it's okay like this. Yes, this one there's no rule, there's no principle. Is that okay? Is that okay? So now what we are doing, which I did not mention initially, is that when you are talking of your column positioning from here to this point, the principle says that the distance between two columns should not be more than 30 square meters. Since we say it should not be more than 30 square meters, that's what you are following. Because if you look at it, that was why when this one was when from here, where is it? Okay, see this place. When we measure from here to this place, it was giving us more than 6 meters rather, not 30 square meters. The area of our panel should not be more than 30 square meters, while the distance between two columns should not be more than 6 meters. So if you notice, when we are having from measure from here to this place was giving us 7 point something, that was why we saw the need of providing this column here. Is that okay? So the distance between two columns should not be more than 6 meters. Is that okay? So that is that. Is that okay? So these columns that we have used in the course of design, if they fail, good and fine, we know what to do. Is that okay? But it's better we use it since it's just a residential building and also just G+2. Is that okay? It's not that high. And if you look at the section given to us, they are just 3 meters. They are just 3 meters. Can you see? So it's not that high. Can you see? It's just 3 meter high each floor. Is that okay? So that is that. So which I believe this 225 will definitely pass. Is that okay? Some might be white 16, some might be white 20. Is that okay? All right. Even though we are going to be having a what do you call it? Water at the top. Is that okay? And if you look at it, the columns are not that far from each other. Is that okay? So that is that. So at this stage now, since I have this one now, I will select this one now. Right? Undo. Whether I select or not, just press TR, enter. Then I'll trim this one off like this. Trim this one off, and also trim this one off. I'll stop here like this. I'll just leave this one. Is that okay? Because I'll use these lines to trace some things. Is that okay? To trace some things. So I'll come here now. Or if you want, you can also press L, enter, to now have a cut. Is that okay? To have a cut. Then this one, yes. Then TR, enter. Let me see if it will have a cut. Okay, yeah, it will work. It will work. All right, perfect. So now click on this one, delete. I can also click on this one, delete. You can see I can trace this line easily, isn't it? This one easily like this and all of that. Is that okay? All right. So now, but first of all, we need to confirm and see if they are in the same place. Since I'll press my XL, enter, then H, enter, and put it here. Perfect. So since I've put it there, I have to now select this one like this, all of this, move all of this like this, then press my shift key to select this one, and then press M, enter. M stand for moving from this point here now to this point here. Can you see it now? You can see what I have. So click on this one, then delete. So you can now see what I'm having. I believe I've deleted something. Okay, let's just leave it. Is that okay? So that is that. This one's supposed to be there's supposed to be a line here. Can you see it? Can you see we are in line, which is still okay? This one is okay. It's okay. We have deleted a line here. Let me see. Let's confirm it. CP. To confirm CP, I'm going to copy from this my corner here. Let me use my staircase. Let me use this center point here, this edge here. Can you see? I'm using this edge here. Click on this place and let me move straight. Is that okay? Even as I'm moving straight, can you see? As I'm going straight, you can see it. As I'm going straight, which means it's perfectly okay. I'll come here now and then click here and let's see. Can you see it now? You can see what we have. That's actually okay. Okay. Let me see. These architects, that's what I'm telling you. These architects are very, very funny. Very, very funny. Okay, let me pick from the edge. I think the edge will work. This edge here, let me put at this edge here. It will definitely work. Can you see? Even without doing anything, can you see it? Can you see that it's on a straight line? Can you see it? That is actually working. Is that okay? So I'll click here, it's okay. If you take note, this part, maybe this particular staircase are not even somehow well dimensioned, in the sense that it's not well positioned. Is that okay? So that is that. All right, so I'm taking my time to be explaining things to you, and at least you get exposed and all of that challenges we might be facing, because in this place we face some challenges. So now let's now click on this one now, right click and select a similar. Where is this similar? As I said, anytime you click on select similar, always check other drawings. Is that okay? So either any of them selected or not, I always like to deselect by pressing my shift key down and then move my cursor over them. Is that okay? Do it again, because I don't want to hear story that touches the heart. Is that okay? So I'll now come here now, then right click. Okay, no right clicking, I'll just press a CP, enter. That's copy. Is that okay? That's copy. So where can we copy it from now? That will be okay. What do we have here? Okay, we do have this line here. Okay, this line, red line. See, the red line is shifting. It's shifting. No, it's not giving us what we want. Okay, let me see. Okay, this one seems to be the same. Can you see? This one and this one seems to be the same. Is that okay? So let me, okay, let's just use staircase first. Let's use our staircase. Let me pick from here, because that staircase for that first one is not giving me what I want, what I'm expected to see. Let me press this one and let me come here. Okay, can you see what we are having? Can you see it here? So I'll click on this particular place, then escape. So if you look at it very well, categorically, you will see that there are issues. Can you see? You can see the architect work. Can you see? Can you see what's happening here? Can you see it? So can you also see what is happening here? So not to judge for now. Can you also see these ones? Not to judge for now. Let's recopy it again. Let me undo it. Is that okay? Let me undo it, which have been done. I'll come here now again. So you can see these are the things. This is how you go about it. You don't rush it. I'll not lie to, don't rush it. When I mean don't rush it, don't rush it. There are some that you can rush because of how, depends on how good the architect is. Because if you have some architect that are structurally inclined, so when you are doing their design, you enjoy it very well. Such architect, you can collect anything and then you know that yes, you are good to go. It will not give you a headache. Understand? So that is that. So now press CP, enter. Let me see, I'm picking from this this edge here first. Let me see from this edge first. From this edge, I pick from that edge, and I'm picking on this edge here. Okay. Can you see now? Can you also see what I'm having? Can we see it? So you can. I'm showing you different things. Can you see what we are having here? Can you see what we are having here? You can see the arrangement of this architect. I don't know what made him to shift this one here. Why don't he just put this one on this other side? Is that okay? On this other side. Is that okay? So let's check it. So you can now see this one is totally off. Can you see? It's totally off, which means that point of selection is not what? It's not okay. All right. I'm taking my time to be explaining this so that you know the importance of taking your imposing your column the right place to take. Is that okay? I'm just moving all around. So click on this one now. Also, come here now. You select this one. Then press my CP or CO, enter. I'm still going to use my staircase. Is that okay? Or shear wall, or let me use this one. Let me use this place, this edge here. Is that okay? This edge here. Let's use this edge here. I'll come here and pick from this edge. Even this column is not properly placed here. So let's use it. Can you see this line and this line? Yeah, what architect did. Can you see this line and this line? Which one are you going to even use now? That's architect for you. So come here now. Come up. From this point. Why is it jumping? Flying. Okay, pick it from here. And we move and come here and fix it here. Can you see it now? It's showing us the point. Is that okay? Showing us the point. Is that the point? Okay, let's click. All right. So this one seems to be okay. Can you see it now? This one has given us what we want. Is that okay? This one have given us what we want to use. Is that okay? What we want to use. Okay. So if you now look at this one now, automatically, can you see this wall, this particular column? You can see it along this line. Can you see it now? And also the same thing supposed to happen here. Well, I don't know. You don't have column here. Oh, sorry. You don't put the column. This particular one, CP, enter. I'll come here now. Pick this one and put on this other side. Okay, then click on it and then CP, enter. I also pick it from this edge here. I am picking from anyone here. I pick from this edge here and come here and pick on this one here. Okay, can you see it now? So for me, what we are going to do, because there are times you have to liaise with the architect or you take your judgment because looking at the structure. So now for me, shifting this column here from this point to this point automatically at the in this place, it's already outside the building, isn't it? So what I will do is that since the space between here and here is not much, let's check the distance. So let's check the distance. Can you see just 190? It's not up to 200. So the edge to edge. So what I'll do is that I'll remain this column where it is. Is that okay? So whatever thing they want to do from here to here is okay for them. Is that okay? So that is that. So I'm going to leave this particular column. This column will remain, and this column will remain. Is that okay? I will not see because of this small space and shift this one. Is that okay? Because if I shift this one here now, understand, it might make my much more load. Is that okay? Which may make this column to be robust. Is that okay? Big. So that is that. All right. So having taken that judgment automatically, so automatically all these ones are going. Can you see now? All these ones are going, and you can now see that the wall we are having, this particular wall. Can you see this wall now? This particular wall here. You can see the wall. You can see the wall here. Can you see the wall? Can you see the wall here? Like this. straight like this, automatically we are going to be shifting, having a wall on this side, and also after this wall we have a cantilever. Can you see it now? And you can also see this one. If you look at this one very well, you can see what we are having. Can you see how it is? Now the question is there a way I can adjust this? Is there a way we can adjust this one? Let's see. Can we adjust this one to see if it can fit in? Is that okay? Let's see if we adjust this one here like this. Enter. Let me see. I'm picking it from this this edge straight, okay, to this place. Let me change the color. Then let me come here and change the color to, let me say, this color here. Good. Then let me say CP. Enter. Then from this edge also, from this inner one here, let's now take it to this this place, inner one here, and see where it's landing. Can you see where it's landing? You can see where it's landing, which means I can decide to what, adjust this column so that it will be typical. Can you see? So that it will be typical. Can you see what I'm doing now, trying to do now, so that it will be typical? So automatically now, that's why you need to follow this video from beginning to the end. Automatically now, this column now, I'm going to shift it from where it is. I'm going to have an axis here now, CP, enter, from this point to this point here. So I'm going to be shifting this column. I will delete this column now automatically, and also come here now, this column, then enter. I'm moving it from here to this point here. At this point now, change the color to how it is. Then I'll now copy this one now. Let me now escape. So if I like, I can now delete and redo it again. That's me for you. So I'll select similar. Is that okay? Then click on this one, select this one, come here, do all of this. I don't need to rush, because if I get this one correctly, automatically when it comes to modeling, I'll fire on. Is that okay? So that is that. So on that note now, automatically the same thing applicable to this one, the same thing applicable to this one. Then enter. I'll move it from this place to this place now. So also the same thing applicable to this, the same judgment I'll put on this one. I'll pass judgment on this, enter. I'll pass the judgment on this, come here and put it here. So can you see it now? You can see what I'm having. Can you see what we are having now? So automatically this one will now come from here and rest here. Can you see it now? And this one will come here and rest here. Do you see it now? Still close to the column, which is the resistance is what is high. Is that okay? So that is that. So now I can now come here now, select it again, this one, this is what I do. Then to now to have a good work. Is that okay? Then I'll come here, it needs to be selected, nothing, but let me just do it. Is that okay? So do this one again, then CP, enter. Since I've gotten my place of selection, I'll click from here. I'll also come here now and put it on this place. Perfect. So let's see. Can you see what I'm having now? Can you now see it now? That's much more better. Can you see it now? So I have it on this straight line now. So which means that this particular beam will run like this. Is that okay? Why this one goes like this, and this one come and join here, and this one also run like this, and this one come and join here. Is that okay? So now, looking at this point here, if you look at this beam here, if you look at this beam, like this one now, are we going to be adjusting it? This one now, why is architect doing this one like this? Okay, which one? Let's trace it. Which one is this? Let's trace it. Let's trace it. Okay, we have this 1 2 1 2. Is it that one? We have a 1 2 3 1 2 3. This one here, first and second. Okay, this particular one. Can you see this particular one? Do we need to shift this one inside? No. If you shift it inside, it will not be aligned with this. Is that okay? So automatically, what we are going to do, we don't need to bother with this one. This one we just align it. Is that okay? We are going to align this one. We don't need to be shifting this because of just this small space. Is that okay? We don't need to bother ourselves. So this one now, what we are going to do, we just align this one. Automatically, this particular wall will be adjusted to fit in this. Is that okay? To fit in this, enter. Is that okay? To fit in this. Where is it? Which will be discussed with the architect. Is that okay? With your architect. Maybe it's a mistake from him. Okay, then enter. So I'm moving from here. Let me just say, oh sorry. It's only this one, and this one. So I'll now come here, enter. Automatically it's coming here. Can you see it now? So EX, enter. Okay. almost the same thing. They will adjust this one. This is a door. Is that okay? This is a door. So let's see what we have. Okay, that means it was 800 before, 10 difference. Is that okay? All right, so that's what we are going to do. Is that okay? And this one also, enter, automatically all of them will be adjusted from here to this. Then EX, enter, extend, and this one. So can you see what we have now? You have to have so the same thing applicable to this side. Don't forget that what I'm doing here is the same thing that's going to be happening here. Is that okay? So when we are doing our beam is going to be running straight. Is that okay? Which automatically take care of this wall. Is that okay? All right. So in this case now we are going to be having a cantilever. This one now beam will run and have a cantilever beam here. Is that okay? A cantilever beam, and this one we will not put a column, but this side we're going to put a column, because when we run this one like this, is that okay? And this one comes this way like this. This one will extend, and we are going to position a column here. Is that okay? To now fit in to work with this. Is that okay? So that is that. So automatically, so this particular column is not going up. It's not going up. It's not going up. This one is not going up. That's making 4. Am I correct? Making 4. This one is 5, 6, 6. This one is 7. Sorry. Oh, 7. 8. I'm coming. 8. Let me see this one. Let me select them back. 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. I'm coming. 2. We have what? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8. Can you see? 9, and also 10. We have 10 of them. Can you see that are not going up? So automatically I'll change the color. I'll change their color to something like this. Okay, so can you see now they are not going up? So these other ones that we are seeing in red, they are the one going up without any question, without questioning. Is that okay? They are all going up, but this particular one in deep blue, they are not going up. So I have to find solution to that. Is that okay? So which we are going to be doing in ProtaStructure. So once we have done this one like this, once we have done it up to this stage, don't forget we have this. We have all of this. We already have the axis around this particular place and all of that. So the next thing now, I need to name it. Is that okay? I need to name this one. So out of what I have here, I can choose to pick one. Is that okay? But for the sake of the training, I'll just come here now, click on this one now, click on this one now. So I'll come to this place now, this first library. That's what, and new layers. Can you see? Click on the new layer. Then I have to use a name for it. Let's say TG. Is that okay? The capital one. TG. I will now click on mark, and also come here now again. See that TG means Taiwo's what do you call it? Grid. Is that okay? Taiwo's grid. I'll also make it a TC, Taiwo's column. I'll click on this. If that's the name of your client, is that okay? So that is that. I'll now click on what? On close. And once I've clicked on close, I'll select all of this. Select all of these and come here and look for T. Let me look for TG. Can you see? That's my grid lines. Can you see? Grid lines. And also come here now, select the column, click on this, right click and click on select similar. Select similar. Can you see all the columns selected? I'll come here now and look for TC. Can you see TC? Click on this one. Automatically all TC. So once I've done that now, now save it. Click on it. Select it all of them like this. This is a small structure. I don't want to take it to origin. Just press my W, enter. I'll come here now, click on these 3 dots and look for a place to save it, to save your work. Okay, let me see F. Can you see this place for T? I'll click on it. This way I want to save it now, and I'll make it what? Let me say B. Is that okay? Whatever be the name of the architect, you have to use it, or the owner of the client. Is that okay? I'll now come here now, click on make sure. Can you see? Make sure this place is that okay? It's DXF, not DWG. I'll come here and look for DXF. I'll come here and put what? DXF. Let me use this one. Okay, let me use this one. Is that okay? DSF. Is that okay? I'll now click on this one, architect B, and then make sure that this place is what the unit is what in millimeter. I'll come here now and make sure that it's millimeter. In case it's another unit, just click on it and select your millimeters. Is that okay? After which I click on OK. Can you see it has gone? It has been saved under 40. Is that okay? So once you have gotten to this place now, the next thing now is now move to what? To ProtaStructure, where we'll now be modeling accordingly based on this plan before we now enter into this particular place to make adjustments. Is that okay? So that is that. So thank you very much. So it's like see you next time in the next video. I want to say please always subscribe and like this video. Is that okay? Very, very important. Is that okay? For the sake of others, because as I have said, how are we going to be modeling this kind of place? Can you see? Now next video, how are you going to? So you need to be notified. So that's why if you have not subscribed, you need to subscribe so that you now see how we go about it. Is that okay? And also you can see this extension. Can you see all these places and all of that? So we are going to see how we can achieve it with this length. Can you see? And also this place, how do you model this kind of place? Wall sitting on this cantilever slab here. Can you see it now? So all of that we are going to be doing in this video. Is that okay? So thank you very much. And let's see you in our next video. I want to say please like and subscribe and also comment, which is very important. I want to say bye. One love. Keep us together.